Love coming up to Portland, Oregon. Food scene always going next level. And talking about going next level, listen to this story. Here to check out a joint where the chef, he's from an Argentinian family. He was born in Israel, then the family moved to California. Now he's up here in Portland. He's got a hummus company, he's got a vegan ice cream company, and in his spare time, oh yeah, he's got a vegan restaurant. This is Aviv.
Falafel pita, medium.
I don't think there's really anything like it.
Shashuka?
It's the only Mediterranean restaurant that is entirely vegan.
You can bring people here and they will get as much flavor and as much texture and as much uniqueness as any restaurant.
I brought my mom and dad here. They are definitely meat eaters, and they loved it.
That unique menu here comes from the fact that when Tall Caspi cut out the meat, he kept the flavors he grew up on.
I thought to myself, I'm from the Middle East, I'm gonna do Middle Eastern food.
You're from the Middle East?
I'm from Israel, yeah. My parents are Argentinian.
How's the menu here? Explain to me
We use a lot of mushrooms.
Mushroom calamari.
The mushroom calamari, the spices that they use are really good, and then they add that tahini sauce on the side.
It's nice and garlicky and really flavorful.
Give me the rundown.
All right, we are going to make mushroom calamari. Calamari is something I've always missed, so I definitely wanted it on our menu. We're gonna make our wet bath first.
Our what?
Wet bath? Is that
Our wet bath?
Wet bath, is that the right?
Oh, versus the dry bath. Yes, I'll have one of those.
Some aquafaba,
Aquafaba bean?
bean water, Aleppo pepper,
Okay.
which is from Aleppo in Syria. Some kombu,
Seaweed ground up.
exactly, that gives
Okay.
it the fishy flavor. Ufra biber.
Oh, the old Ufabiber. No clue what that is, folks.
It's a wonderful pepper from Turkey. Salt.
I didn't know you could get pepper from Turkey.
We're gonna mix this all up.
The country.
The country.
So this is gonna coat as well as add flavor too, because we're gonna get into a dredge.
Some rice flour, cornmeal. Mix it all up.
And frying this in,
Canola oil.
and that's all she wrote. What's next?
Tahini. We got lemon juice, garlic, water, tahini paste, salt, cilantro, blend it up.
I'll have a cup of that to go.
Excellent.
Next step?
We're gonna make some za'atar, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend. Toasted sesame seeds, thyme, caraway.
Don't get carried away.
I was gonna do it.
Thank you very much.
Glad you did it. Salt,
Turmeric?
turmeric,
Just shout it out when you know the answers.
oregano, ground dill seeds, and we just mix it up. All
Let's see
right,
it.
mushroom calamari. Some tahini, salt, a good amount of za'atar, and a lemon wedge that's been dipped in za'atar.
Delicious, thoughtful, well executed. Anything you fry, if you fry it right, I think you've got something going
You
for
can
you.
fry a shoe and it's delicious.
You flip-flop too. Call it calamari, call it fried mushrooms, whatever. You call it delicious. And don't call me late for a second serving. Excellent.
Thank you, chef. I got a mushroom calamari for table 2.
I think mushroom is a great option to do as calamari because it kind of does have that same texture as regular calamari.
The za'atar seasoning is really good. Gives it like a little Israeli flair.